So this is the writing challenge set for Key Stage 4, Pathway 2, but anybody can give this a go. So what if you were an animal, a family pet? What would you think? How would you feel? How would you perceive the world to be? How would you behave? What would you think of your owners or your owner's neighbours? Your challenge this week is to write a story or a scene from an animal's perspective. Maybe if you have a cat or a dog or any other family pet, you could write it in the day in the life of that animal. Maybe you have another family member who has a pet. You could write about a day in the life of that animal too. The important things here are to see that number one, everything that happens in the story is seen from that animal's perspective. Number two, you try and give the animal human attributes. So even though it's a cat, the cat might have a sense of humour. Even though it's a dog, the dog might like playing tricks on people. And number three, think about how you include things that would seem normal to them but strange to us, or strange to them and normal to us. So you'll need to write in the first person. All the information's there. Some tips on how to write from another person's point of view. Write about and talk about what they see, what they feel, what they think, what they might say. Perspective. What you'll have to do is write from their perspective of life. Anything that might seem strange to them, but normal to us. Anything that might seem strange to us, but normal to them. A cat might find it strange that we don't, rub ourselves against the wall. Anything like that is great to show that you're writing from their point of view. Creativity. You need to make sure that you're including things like their behavior. Try and be creative with your writing. What might they say? What might they think? What might they do? What kind of things, if a cat could speak, would only a cat say? What kind of things, if a dog could speak, would only be heard from a dog? Try and be creative with your writing. Have a bit of fun with it. Chronological order. Make sure you're writing in a sequence. If you're writing about the day in the life of something or someone, you should always start at the beginning. For example, it would be how the day begins, and synchronize it based on the events that happen as they happen through the day. End the story, end your writing with how the day would end for that animal. Emotive language. You need to make sure that when you're writing, you're hopefully getting the reader to feel something. Maybe they'll start to love the character. They'll start to really recognize feelings of that character. Maybe you want to try and make them laugh in your writing. A few jokes in there, things that might seem strange but funny and true. Things that people recognize. In your home learning, I've put links to a few videos on YouTube that should help you. They take you through the eyes of another animal and how their day unfolds. Have a look, see what ideas you can borrow. I'm really looking forward to reading your work. Remember to have some fun with this. Enjoy.